awkward stance, but like we're really bad at this, so this is like the only way that kind of made sense. Guys, I just wanted to introduce you to my buddy Seth. Seth and I go back all the way to high school. We've known each other for a long time, but he'll be kind of in and out of our videos from time to time. He's got a bunch of cool cars, but I think the one that really we wanted to kind of introduce you to is a Supra. I'll let him kind of let you know a little bit more about that. But like I said, you'll see Seth in and out of a lot of our content. So we just wanted to make sure that we were able to give you a little bit of insight on who Seth is and a little bit about his car. So I'll leave it to Seth.
Hey guys, this is my 1993 JDM Supra. It's a TT auto right now. I picked it up when I was stationed in Japan, brought it back. It needs some love here and there. Right now, the only things that I'm planning is the 6-speed swap out of a 350Z, so the CD009 kit. It's more affordable than Getrag, so we'll do that at some point. I think that's going to be on the channel whenever that comes around. And yeah, that's it for now as far as mods. And we'll do exhaust and minor stuff like that. I would like to do big single down the road, shoot for like 500, but we'll see how long that takes. Super parts are expensive. I got into cars pretty early. When I was really young, I had a pretty large collection of Hot Wheels, and kind of went from there. No one in my family was really into cars before I got into them. Watched the Fast and Furious thing as everyone does. And then it just kind of went from there. Got started in DSMs, and then moved from that into eventually this, which was my dream car. So at this point, I'm pretty set. I have this, still have one of my DSMs, and I have the Evo, but it's been a long process to get where I'm at, but that's where it started, was with Hot Wheels eventually, at the beginning.
So we just want to say thanks to Seth. We will drop his Instagram handle, so you guys can check out not just the Supra, but he does have a DSM, which I know that's home to a lot of you guys out there with the Galant. And he also has an Evo, an Evo 10. So please check his stuff out. We do plan to kind of have the Supra kind of in some of our content. Check him out. His name is Cleaver2JZ on Instagram. But we'll let it move out from there.